Hi and welcome to Merch Falcon. Let me give you a quick tour. This is your main area where all of your designs are stored. Designs are managed using tags. You can filter designs by one or more tags they contain, or one or more tags they don't. You can manage your designs by clicking on them. You can add or remove tags here. You can tag your designs based on their upload status, theme, or background color. You can regenerate text and mock-ups here. Here you can see your generated text and download mock-ups. There are 3 ways you can add more images to your collection. Here you can upload your existing generated designs for background removal and processing. Here you can import your existing print-ready merch by Amazon designs in bulk, 100 images at a time, and generate text and mock-ups. This is your main image generation page. It is very important to generate images with distinctive background. So we advise you to always end your prompts with isolated on solid black background, or any background color you are designing for. You have a choice between Nano Banana Pro and Nano Banana Standard, standard or complex image processing for difficult backgrounds, automatic mock-up generation toggle and preview image selection. You can upload your own images for prompt reference. I'll paste my first prompt. Merch Falcon will now generate 3 preview variations for me to examine and select using Nano Banana Standard model. Pro generation uses Nano Banana Pro version. It's more expensive. I think I like this one best. This looks like a complex background removal, so I'll select Pro Image Processing. While the image is processing in the queue at the bottom of the page, I'll paste my second prompt. Let's generate a few more variations. You can choose between 1 and 4. I usually go for 2. This looks like a simple background removal job, so I'll stick with standard image processing. I think I will pick this Japanese raccoon samurai. Image processing is a very complex and resource-intensive step, so it usually takes the longest. But you can queue up a bunch of images to save time. The first image is done processing. Look at this clean background removal. The image is perfectly scaled and positioned for merch by Amazon Upload. Your settings page will allow you to edit your text generation prompts, set up your helper plugin, and configure mockups. I'll click on the Add Mockup button to add a new mockup and configure it. You can have up to 10 custom mockup images, and you can add or remove them at any time. It's best to use high-resolution images. Here you can download zipped-up Merch Falcon extension for Chromium-based browsers and generate your API key. Let's copy the key now. Unzip the extension to any folder you like and head to your Chrome extensions page to toggle the developer mode on. This will allow you to load the unpacked extension. Navigate to your extracted extension until you reach a folder called Images. Now you can click on Select Folder button, bottom right. Merch Falcon extension will be loaded. Now we just need to pin it to the taskbar so that we can launch it. Here it is. Let's click on it and configure the settings for the first time. I will create a new profile called Merch by Amazon, but you can name yours however you like. I will now paste my key I copied earlier. Don't share it with anyone. Make sure to save the settings. I will now check the desired field that I need to be filled on this page. Brand name, title, both bullet points, description, and main image upload. I will also check the box which allows you to click on something after forms get filled. It can be handy for some platforms that require you to exit the upload prompt, but in this case, I will use Click After Filling feature to run an automatic trademark check using a third-party Productor extension. I will now assign the form entry fields by clicking on the Pick button and selecting the corresponding fields on the website. I will also use the picker to pick correct coordinates where the button that I need to be clicked is located. This only needs to be done once per profile. Always make sure to save the settings once you are done configuring the extension. I will now go to the Q tab and enter a tag uploaded to MBA, which will be auto-applied once I successfully fill the forms. This will help me keep track of my design uploads. The green button above turns Auto Refresh on and off. When enabled, the extension will automatically pull newly generated designs from Merch Falcon that might still be processing in the queue. The button on the right is for manual refresh. I will copy the tag and add it to Excluded Tags filter. Then, newly submitted designs will be automatically tagged and filtered out after submission. As you can see, with one click of the button, your design is uploaded, tagged, filtered out, and all the forms are filled in. Trademark check is completed, and all you need now is to double-check everything and click Submit. Let's remove the filter and return to the submitted design. Clear button clears all the tags, Tag button applies the current tag, Retry button resubmits the design, and Hide button hides it from the list. Refreshing the list will make hidden designs reappear. Let's head to Etsy and set up another custom profile for it. I will name it Etsy. Etsy uses drag and drop file upload method, so I will show you how to set it up and how to submit tags. You will need to enter your key again. I will need to submit title, description, and tags. I will also select a button click at specified coordinates to submit the tags once they are entered. Let's assign the fields like we did with Merch by Amazon and select coordinates of the tag button so that the extension can click it and submit the tags properly. A number of platforms require you to click a button or hit enter to submit tags. Etsy uses a drag and drop method for mock-up upload. We need to select the coordinates of the drag and drop area where mock-up files will be dropped. We also need to make sure that mock-up upload is enabled. Save the settings when you are done. Looks like we are all good to go. Let's change the tag and submit another design. All the fields get filled and mock-ups are uploaded. You should now have the knowledge to upload your designs to almost any platform out there. We are currently working on making Merch Falcon even better. There are a lot of great features yet to come. Please let us know if you encounter any bugs. There might be a few lurking around. Thank you for watching and good luck with your print-on-demand journey.